Hi guys, on this one we've got a HSBC secure key calculator. The battery's died, as you can see here. Press the and hold the button down, nothing happens. I've had it for a few years. I don't need it anymore because you can get this to work on there is a secure key app on on your phone. So what I did, just remove the back cover, sticker for the back, and they exposed the battery housing. Just a matter of forcing the battery out. It comes out easier if you take the front cover off as well, but I'm stubborn. So I've managed to get the battery out here by peeling back the contacts on the battery terminals. And this is the battery to replace it, CR2016. Just flipped it up for you. That's what I'm using to replace it. So just slide that back in and then just tidy up this metal work on the back for the contacts. And then all I've got to do now is put this sticker back on the back cover. And then, as you can see, it's a bit of a useless exercise. I just thought I'd have a go at see what I can get, see if I can get it working again. But you've got these codes. I don't know what you put into this to get it, probably to get it running again. You've probably got to put some codes or press certain numbers to get it working. I don't know. And like I said, I don't use this anymore because you can get a secure key on your app on your phone. Once again, thanks for watching and please subscribe.